What you're going to need today is an old catalog, tape, something to mark with, a hole puncher, ribbon for the handle, and a ruler, but since I don't have one, I'm going to use that today. The step is to grab your catalog and go to the middle section where it has a staple, and we're going to go ahead and remove those so that the paper doesn't rip. I already have one right here. Okay. Now the side that you want on the outside, we're going to put it at the bottom so that we can mark on this side. We're going to begin and mark at the 3-inch line and the 5-inch line. And repeat the same process for the next side. Next step that we're going to do is fold where each mark is, a crease, as I'm doing. Okay, there's going to be a little left over, but we're going to use that tape to connect to the other side. I have put the tape in the inside corner. This part's the sticky part right here. But before we connect them together, we are going to fold maybe 2 inches from the bottom and 1 inch from the top, just to make a nice line. And here is the bottom, and here is the top. We can go ahead and unfold them because we're going to use that later on. Go ahead and connect the tape. Once you have that tape together, it should look like this, and this should be already the form of a box. Then I'm going to fold down the ends like a regular gift wrapping, and you have these guidelines already made. You have them nice and folded. We are going to grab the tape and put it down as so. We can flip it over to the top, and we're just going to tuck in the edges that we folded. Okay. What I like to do next is I like to fold in these little corners for better presentation. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and punch a hole like this. And make sure you do not get these corners. And we can go ahead and do that to the other side. Grab your desired ribbon or string and put it through each punched hole, as I did here. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and just tie a knot. And there you have your handles. Thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more videos.